Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something that's essential for these times: Yo2 KN95 face masks. These masks claim to be among the best in filtering efficiency, and we're here to put that to the test. Stick around to find out if they live up to the hype. Let's start with an overview of the Yo2 KN95 face masks. These masks come in a pack of 60 and are designed with a 5-layer structure for maximum protection. With a filter efficiency of 95%, they promise to keep you safe in various environments, from home and work to restaurants and beyond. Now, let's dive into the key features that make these masks stand out. The Yo2 KN95 masks feature a 3D design, specifically shaped to fit the contours of your face. This ensures a tight and comfortable fit, while also improving breathability. So, you can wear these masks for extended periods without discomfort. These masks are constructed with 5 layers of materials, including 2 layers of non-woven cloth, 2 layers of melt-blown fabric, and 1 layer of hot air cotton. The inner layer is skin-friendly and absorbs moisture from your breath. This 5-ply design offers more protection compared to standard 3-ply masks. Yo2 takes care of the packaging too. Each mask is individually sealed to prevent contamination and ensure hygiene. You can easily carry them in your backpack, purse, or pocket without worrying about pollution caused by touch. These KN95 masks are versatile and suitable for various situations. Whether you're a transport driver, work in commercial buildings, construction, food processing, or any other industry with daily contact with people, these masks have got you covered. It's essential to note that while these masks offer high filtration efficiency, they are not N95 masks. If you want more information about KN95 masks, you can check out the link provided in the product description. So, in conclusion, the Yo2 KN95 face masks offer a promising solution for personal protection. With their 5-layer design and 95% filtration efficiency, they are certainly worth considering, especially in today's environment. If you're interested in trying out these masks for yourself, you can find them on Amazon. We've provided a link in the video description below for your convenience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, let us know in the comments below.